Okay, YouTube, if you see my other videos, you know that I've been talking about putting a camera. Well, here's the cables. You're not supposed to see those just yet. So, there's the camera. I don't even know if you can see it. There it is. Okay? Now what I did is, let me show you here. I ran 18.4 cable, okay? You can see I spliced in the power, and off of this, that's my video side, and then this, of course, is the camera. This is my cable, goes down here. There's some disconnects underneath the bed, so should I ever want to take the tailgate off, I can. Now, some of you may be asking, well, what's 18.4? 18 gauge, 4 conductor. I use my red and my black for my power, and use my white and my green for my video. Now you can see I've got these light bars here. Those were installed using 18.2. Now let me get my box of goodies here. These, okay, and yes, I'm still gonna tape and heat shrink all this up. This is a video cable that comes with your camera. To me, that's just horrible. Now, let me show you what these ends look like. Well, you can see them inside the packaging. It's metal RCA. And it's just got two screw terminals, okay? It's labeled plus and minus. It doesn't really matter what you do. If you're gonna do it on both ends, it doesn't matter. If you put, like for me, you can see I have green and white. I put green to minus and white to plus, okay? That happens to be the other way, or the same way, sorry, up at the monitor, okay? Now, if you're doing both ends, it doesn't matter if you do white to minus, green to plus. It doesn't matter. And you'll see. Let me put this tailgate up. Okay. Yes, I gotta heat shrink and zip tie all that stuff. And you'll see. There's my monitor. It's on a switch. Now, granted, the bottom third of the screen or so is seeing the handle. But, you know what? It's more than what I had before the camera install, right? So, you can see my white and green right there, okay? And all I did is I spliced my red and my black down here. My white and my green goes up here. And to explain to you how I did the power, if you've seen my other videos, you know that down there, underneath that kick panel, is a fuse block. Okay, I've got an 18.2 running from there, and somewhere down here, you can see I've got one 18.2 for those two switches. Then I've got one 18.2 going up underneath the steering wheel. Okay, I'm only using one of the wires. Can't recall if it's black or red. But what I did is it's going from the fuse block to the switch, from the switch to the relay. Okay, now the relay actually has two power inputs. One is to activate the coil side. The other is the power side that actually completes the circuit once the relay has been activated. And once the relay has been activated, of course, power goes up here to the monitor and it travels down. I've got all the wire run underneath and it goes up to the camera. Now, let me show you. I don't have it zip tied too tightly, but these are actually weatherproof connectors. And you can see this is my 18.2 for the light, for that rail light. This is my 18.4. Okay, this obviously goes out that way, and then this one goes up in and through that little grommet that I drilled. Okay, those are my two 18.2 wires for the bed rail lighting. So that's what I did with this camera. Like I said, I know I got to tape and shrink this, but other than that, this is good to go. Now the only thing I need to find now is I've got to find a tailgate assist, which my search on the internet has found nothing for the Generation 1 Tundra. You can find a Chevy, Ford, Dodge, whatever. So I'm going to see if I can modify something. Normally, I don't care if the gate just drops. I mean, it's the truck. But the fact that I now have my camera in there, I don't want that vibration, one, to, you know, mess with the housing, two, to mess with the circuit board. So, yeah, that's what I did. By utilizing the 18.4 that you see here, okay, the red and the black that you see here, you see this is my power wire. Down under here, the red and the black is spliced, and then of course the green and the white continue on and screw into one of these connections on this end. Then at the other end, the green and the white screws into another one of those connections, because this is a video cable. I've got a male RCA, it's all coiled up, and another male RCA. What the heck that red wire is for, I don't know. But whatever, it's working without that red wire. So yeah, I didn't want to use that crappy little wire there, and the same thing with the power, you know. So yeah, that's the camera setup. Like I said, if you like this, go ahead and leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that I'm helping someone out there out. I mean, that's the whole reason I'm doing these videos. I haven't gotten any likes or comments yet, so I don't know if I'm going to continue these videos. I mean, I want to know I'm helping someone out. That's the only reason I'm doing these. So, anyways, that's it for now. So yeah, all I got to do is fasten this up and then put my cover back on, which, cake. But it's done. So that's it. I hope that gave some of you Gen 1 guys some ideas of you know, a potential location for your camera, potential, you know, like I said, wire to use versus using the factory crap wire. So anyways, that's it for now. All right, thanks. Bye.